Hello everyone, welcome to Honeyverse. I'm Honey here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So this is my Valentine's Day makeup look. So let's get start this look. In this makeup tutorial, first I'm going to start with the foundation. I prep my face. So the foundation here I'm using Revlon Color Stay foundation. The shade here I'm using Natural Buff shade. This foundation 24 hours long lasting foundation. Yeah, I have done my foundation. I have some dark circles on my under eye area. So to cover my dark circles here I am using Maybelline New York concealer. The shade here, medium shade I am using. So my dark circles cover. So to set my base I am using here Revlon loose powder. The shade light beige shade I am using. Now coming to the contour here I am using Freedom Professional London contour I am using to contour my nose and cheekbone area. This contour stick, Freedom Professional London contour stick. Coming to the eyes here I am using London Professional eyeshadow palette. In this palette, the shade here I am using 27th Red Night shade I am using because this is Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So I am going to apply this shade. So to blend this eyeshadow I am using this blending brush. I applied this eyeshadow on my eyelids and I blended with my blending brush. So on my eyelids area I am going to apply the 5th shade. This is Angel Night shade. I am applying with my eyeshadow brush. I am just tapping on my eyelid area. I simply finish my eyeshadow. So coming to the brows here I am using this eyebrow filler. So I filled my brows with this eyeshadow palette. The shade here 32 shade I am using to fill my brows. So coming to the kajal here I am using Revlon Color Stay kajal. So I am going to apply this kajal to my lower and upper lash line. So I finished my kajal. So coming to the eyeliner here I am using Lakme gel eyeliner. So coming to the mascara here I am using Maybelline Colossal Voluminous Mascara I am using here. So I done my eye makeup. So coming to the blush here I am using Faces Canada Glam Glow Brush. The last face base I am using highlighter. The highlighter here I am using Leveron highlighter stick. I am using the shade gold shade I am using. I am highlighting my cheekbone area. And my nose area I am highlighting. I am blending with this highlighter with my fingertips. So I simply finish my highlighter. The last and final is lipstick. The lipstick here I am using my favorite lipstick, Chambers Red Lips. The shade here 704. So I simply finish my makeup. This is my Valentine's Day makeup. So this is my Valentine's Day makeup look. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for Honey's TV for such more videos. Happy Valentine's Day to all my YouTube subscribers. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.